Well, we've owned an FJR Yamaha 1300 for about 20 years, and you get to that stage in life where you basically have to admit that riding a sports tourer is a little bit too much. So we've gone and bought a Goldwing. Now, I said that I would not ride a Goldwing till I was fat and 50. I've managed to get to 59 before buying a Goldwing. So, tomorrow we are setting off on our first Goldwing adventure, our wingding, and we're going to record a few bits as we go. Bloody mosquitoes. And hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. Well, good morning, and just look at this sky. Well, I could not have wished for a better day to set off on our trip. So anyways, all loaded up and we're going to get off very shortly. Okay, so a quick stop before Banff, have a pee and a drink of water, and then we're going to carry on and go to Canmore, have a coffee stop. Oh boy, this is really good. Okay, so Amanda's fed and watered me, so we're going to head off now down through Kananaskis country and end up down in Waterton. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how much more comfortable is that seat than what the FJR was?
On a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah. 10. 10. So we've just come from that pass over there, and we were right up at 7,200 feet above sea level. And yes, it was cold up there. Well, just had to stop for one of A&W's finest, and we've got about 50 kilometres to do down to Waterton. See you when we get there. Well, we've encountered absolutely everything today, from mountains to prairies to moorlands, you name it, we have come across it. Now that right there, Mandy Commons, that is God's own country. Look at that view. So we're just thinking you could actually build Hobbiton just down here, look at it. It would be perfect. There we are, 550 kilometres later, we are in Waterton. There you go, look at that. And that is where we are staying tonight. At the Prince of Wales Hotel, Waterton Park. So where are we staying tonight? In that house over there.
Behind us.
That really big one.
Behind you.
It's behind you. So 2 years ago now, was it? Yeah, it was 2 years ago. In March, just as COVID was sinking home, we were in Queenstown in New Zealand, and it looks just like this. This is Waterton's downtown. lots of bars and restaurants. Everything is totally original and as was. Look at this. Oh my God, man, you have totally scored with this one.
I know, it's very nice.
Eh?
It's very nice.
It is exactly as it was back in 1900 and whatever it was.
With the telephone.
But with a telephone, yeah, but it's all the original stuff. Okay, the view. Just look at that. So, your reward for being a good girl today and not moaning for riding 550 kilometres in one day is a beautiful charcuterie board. Well, good morning and welcome to day two. We've had a great night's sleep in that fabulous room. And just look what we have woken up to. The view is spectacular. I'll just show you it. View and the breakfast of champions. Well, that has been an absolutely fabulous stay here at the Prince of Wales Hotel in WATERTON. We're just going to leave now and set off on the long winding road all the way to Nelson. It's about a 6-hour drive, or ride as I should say, and see you on the road. Yeah, baby Grace. You zoom in on it. We just pull up. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, you don't often see one of that colour. He's a beauty.
Aye?
He's a beauty.
Look at that.
Okay, should we leave him be?
Yeah, we'll leave him be.